Only 1 minute. It's done. Yes, now done. Go to. Yes. So go ahead. I made
Yep.
you host.
Okay, Mahesh. Thank you so much. So welcome guys. Welcome to Data Analytics with Gen AI training program. Can you hear me loud and clear? Do let me know.
Yes, able to hear you.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much for the confirmation. So guys, this is the first session and this will be like the induction session. So in this particular session, first I will go ahead and try to discuss the curriculum. So what all things we will be covering in next 3 months. So what I will do, I will just share my screen. 1 second. Yep. Do let me know, guys, if you can see my screen.
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. So this is the entire curriculum for full stack. 1 second, I got this pop-up. Okay. For full stack data analytics Gen AI program. So we will be starting this training program with Python programming language. We'll be starting this training program with the Python programming language. Now, why we are studying Python at the first? See, whether you want to get into data analytics or you want to build your career in data science or you want to get into machine learning as a machine learning engineer or you want to get into Gen AI, generative AI. Python is the must have skills. You need to know Python. So you can ask like in all the tech stack that I have mentioned right now, whether it is data analytics, uh, data science, machine learning, generative AI. In all this four tech stack, Python is mandatory. You need to know Python. So why Python is mandatory? Let's try to understand this at first. See, Python syntax are simple and execution is powerful. We'll see this as we go ahead, as we progress in this session, as well as in upcoming session. Got it? And whatever the AI tool that right now you're seeing in the market, that is ChatGPT, Bart, Copilot, whatever the AI tool, Perplexity, whatever the AI tool you're seeing in the market, the core language behind those AI tool is Python. Got it? One more thing. If you are interested in building end-to-end project, if you are interested in building industry level project, whether it is with respect to data analytics, whether it is with respect to data science, whether it's respect to machine learning or generative AI, you need to know Python. So that much important Python is. So that's why we are starting this particular data analytics Gen AI training program with Python. And don't worry, if you are from non-tech background, if you are someone who has not attended any Python session, if you are very much new to Python programming language, don't worry. We will be teaching you Python from scratch. That is from installation. So day one itself, we'll go ahead and do the Python installation. Even we will see different kind of platform where we can go ahead and start our coding journey. Got it? So this is how we'll go ahead with the Python programming language. So this is the module. The first we'll go ahead and cover the fundamental of Python, that is core Python. In core Python, we'll get into the variable, data type, typecasting, input function, operator, and everything I will be explaining you and demonstrating you in practical and with real-time use case. Going forward, after operator, we will get into the string. Just 1 second. String section. In string, we'll cover string creation, string indexing. So these are the modules, these are the subtopics that we will be covering in Python section. string method, string slicing, concatenation, string formatting. In second module, we'll get into the data structures, list, tuple, set, dictionary. This is about dictionary subtopic. Then we'll get into module 3, that is control flow and loop, for loop, while loop, break, continue, pass statement. So we'll be covering everything with the help of practical use case, and then list comprehension. And fourth module is function. In function, we'll cover some special function, then user-defined function, recursion, lambda function, and some functional programming tool. So this is about the core Python topic that we'll be covering in our training program. Going forward, we will get into Python for data analytics. So this is the second section, that is Python for data analytics. In this particular section, we will go ahead and start with NumPy. We'll start with NumPy. So 1 second. We'll start with NumPy, indexing, slicing, operation on NumPy, array, stacking, splitting. All that topic we'll cover in NumPy. Then we'll get into the pandas. Pandas is very important package to handle the data set. So we'll get into the pandas section. So we'll cover pandas series, and then data frame, how to read CSV file, Excel file, JSON file, SQL file, all these things. We'll get into data manipulation, how to do filtering, sorting, handling the missing value. So these are different kind of what you can say. We try to do this process to filter the data, make our data fit for analysis. So we'll be performing all these processes, like handling the missing value, dropping the rows and column which are redundant in nature. So we'll be using map function, replace function to handle the null value, to handle the blank value. We'll be exploring group by function, aggregation. Then we'll get into data transformation. So this is about, first topic we'll cover is NumPy. Second topic is pandas. And third topic is data visualization. In data visualization, we will learn about matplotlib, seaborn packages. So these packages help in data visualization. Then we'll get into EDA, exploratory data analysis. What is EDA? What is objective of EDA? What all tools we use in EDA processes? All that we get into, all these things we will be exploring in EDA section. We'll understanding the data. These are a couple of statistic terminology, descriptive statistics. We'll explore the standard deviation, variance. So there is a reason why we are doing this. Once we will start the module, once we'll get into the case study, we'll understand this in the practical manner. KD, plot, screwness, kurtosis, shape of data, normal distribution, visualization, visual identification using plot, then relationship between data, covariance, correlation, all this, univariant analysis, bivariant analysis, multivariant analysis. Then we'll get into data preparation technique, how to handle non-numeric data, how to scale data, why there's a need to scale data. If you will not scale data, what will happen? Different transformation technique we will explore. What is the purpose of transformation? How data look like before transformation? How data look like after transformation? Got it? So these all things we'll be covering. Next is data cleansing. We'll get into data cleansing. So see, the data that we are taking from the client is messy data. That particular data is not fit for analysis. So we'll be doing the EDA process. We'll be doing the statistical analysis and cleaning it and making sure that data is fit for analysis. So we'll be handling the missing value, the different technique of handling the missing value. We'll be doing outlier treatment, why there's a need to do outlier treatment, what will happen if we'll not do the outlier treatment. All these things we'll be exploring. The different method to do outlier treatment, IQR method, Z-score, how to handle outlier. So we'll be seeing all this stuff. Then we'll get into feature engineering. Feature engineering, the last topic in the Python section. So first 3 to 4 weeks, we'll be working on Python programming language. We'll building our Python skills. Got it? Now, guys, do let me know if you have any question, anything you need to ask with respect to Python. So this is the entire module with respect to Python that we'll be covering. and we try to complete this particular module in 3 to 4 weeks. Understood? It depend on the duration of class also, but anyhow, I will try to cover it within 3 to 4 months, this Python section. Now, once we complete Python, then, okay. So once we complete Python, then we'll get into the SQL module. SQL. Now, why there's a need to study about SQL? I explain you Python, why there's a need to study about
Maybe let
Python.
us ask
That
them, the participants, what is the SQL? Can anyone, you can throw some
okay,
idea,
just
what is the
one second.
purpose of SQL? What is the programming purpose? What is the purpose of SQL? Anyone, feel free, please, okay, na?
Feel free, guys. Feel free. See, I know most of you are at the beginner stage, so yeah, feel free to discuss, to interact. So
See,
do let me.
especially because why I'm asking this point is, you take anything in the IT industry, so these two things plays a major role. One is the programming language. It could be anything. It could be Java, .NET, or ABAP, SAP ABAP, or whatever it might be. One programming language is one where you write all the code. So other one is the database related activities. What do you do? All data fetching, data update, everything related to the SQL. These two concepts are the core for any technology. Right? So this is very important. Once you focus on these two areas, then you can build any applications in anywhere, not only in the AI or any SAP or Java, any applications. So these two plays a major role. How this coding, this syntax, right? All the data flow, how you fetch the data, this is plays a major role to build the applications, whatever the area that you are going to work. Okay, go ahead, please.
Okay, fine,
Anyone
Mahesh.
want to say anything? Any questions or any doubts?
Yes, guys. If you have any question till now, whatever I have explained, right now I've covered the Python module, and I have walked you through all the topic and subtopic that we'll be covering in Python section. So do let me know, guys. You can put your query. You
And
can put your.
Sunil, just to add one point, these contents are tailored for this AI training, AI point of view, this Python, right? Because Python is used
Yeah. So see,
kind of
Python is
thing.
very extent, like it's very huge. Python is
Ah,
for web development, Python is for gaming, all that
hmm,
stuff. So
hmm,
this particular Python programming, whatever the topic that I'm showing you on my screen, just one
hmm,
second. This is
hmm.
mandatory.
Good,
Each and
good,
every
very good.
topic is
Very good.
mandatory to
Okay.
get into analytics domain.
Perfect. Perfect. So this is the one which is customized for which is required for the analytics domain where you want to get into the AI analytics role.
Yes.
Good, very good. Yeah. See, that is the main thing, right? Because the same language is using the different applications. So in that language, what is required only in this area where you are entering, better to know. So that is the reason this is customized content. So any doubts you ask us, anything you are thinking that is not there or anything there, just ask us. Ask Sunil,
So
no problem.
Mahesh, there is one query in the chat. So I think we have
Hmm.
shared the this particular course outline in the group.
Ah.
Just check in the chat.
Yes.
So we have already
And
shared this.
maybe if anybody's joined recently, I'll share it now again, just now. Okay. Na?
So this
Hmm.
is
Go
so
ahead.
yeah, it is very much important that we should have the visibility on this particular curriculum. So I have explained you the importance of Python in analytics, data science, and whatever the syllabus we are having right now on our screen, it is with respect to analytics domain. Got it? This concept will help you to build full-fledged industry level project in analytics domain. Now, let me jump to the next uh, tech stack, that is SQL. Just one second. SQL. See, guys, why we need to learn SQL? See, whenever you want to build enterprise level solution, SQL is mandatory. You need to know how to handle database. Got it? So whatever project that we will be building in this training session, we will follow a certain architecture. I will show you that particular architecture. Let me go ahead and complete this curriculum first of all. So in SQL, we'll start the session from very basic. What is database? Why there's a need to know about database? We'll start the session with the installation of MySQL Workbench, MySQL Server. So if you are someone who don't have any technical knowledge on SQL section, don't worry. We'll help you to understand SQL from scratch. I mean from zero level. So you can see the content also, what is database, like definition important, like from zero level, we'll be teaching you the SQL. So we are having different kind of database. Got it? Like such as SQL, NoSQL. And if you talk about generative AI, they have introduced a database called vector database. But for analytics domain, we will stick to MySQL database. Got it? So we'll cover what is database, what is difference between SQL and NoSQL, when to use SQL, when to use NoSQL. We'll get into relational database concept, installation, connecting SQL. Just I'm giving you a walkthrough about this topic, then database design and table creation. Then we get into data manipulation. In database design, we'll cover how to design table, how to create database, how to create table inside the database. There are a lot of constraint that we need to know: primary key, foreign key, unique key, all that stuff. We'll be building the ER diagram. We'll tell you what is the purpose of ER diagram. Okay. Going forward, we'll cover data manipulation, how to insert record, how to update record, how to delete record. Then we get into the advanced query, that is sorting, filtering, and grouping. Then we'll get into the join operation, inner join, left join, right join, why there's a need to do join operation, full outer join, cross join. We'll explore all this concept one by one, as we go ahead and progress in this session. Then we'll get into subquery, view, index, built-in function. In SQL also we have couple of building function. We'll try to explore all those building function and how these building function are helpful for us going forward in a project. User defined functions, store procedure, all these things we'll be exploring. Once we complete SQL, see guys, I already mentioned in order to complete Python, I need at least 3 to 4 weeks in order to complete in Python module. Now, if I talk about SQL module, I need at least 3 weeks to complete SQL. Got it? So SQL is very much mandatory in order to build a real-time application, in order to build a company level project. Now, going forward, we'll explore Power BI. See, for analytics, it is important how you project your insights. So we'll be projecting our insights on Power BI dashboard. Even we can project the insights through Python also, but we'll be exploring one BI tool, that is Power BI. See, there are a lot of dashboarding tool available. Tableau, Looker, Power BI, but we'll go ahead with the Power BI tool. Got it? So we'll get into the business intelligence and Power BI setup and UI fundamental. So we'll be we'll be studying Power BI from scratch. That is from installation section, and get into Power Query. What is Power Query? Data transformation, data modeling, relationship. In Power BI, there's a language called DAX. We'll try to explore, we'll try to master DAX language, how it is helpful in analyzing and creating the dashboard. We get into some visualization practices. What are the good visualization practices that we need to do, that we need to know in Power BI? Then there is a Power BI service, that is a cloud service. Power BI provide you service in the form of desktop application, even in the form of cloud service. For example, when you get into the company, you will work in the team. Then we'll try to share your dashboard within the team. We'll try to share your dashboard within the management. So you need to know Power BI cloud service also. We'll exploring this cloud portal. So in order to complete Power BI, I need at least 2 to 3 week Power BI. So this is the flow of the entire curriculum. Once we complete the Power BI, then we'll go ahead and try to work on the project. So we'll try to build end-to-end company level project on inventory dataset. This is the first project. And the second project is end-to-end company level on banking dataset. So what do you mean by end-to-end? What do you mean by end-to-end? So what I will do, I will just stop sharing my screen. Just 1 second. I want to show you some architecture that we will be following in order to build the project. Just 1 second, guys. Do let me go. Do let me know, guys, if you can see my screen.
Yes, we can see, Sunil.
Okay, fine. See, guys, whatever the project we will be working in this training session, those are company level project. I mean, industry level project. I want to explain you this architecture, and we'll be following this architecture in our training program also while building the project. So let's suppose client come to you with a business use case. I mean, with a business problem statement. And client with respect to this particular business problem statement. So what the first step you will be doing, you will be loading entire data in SQL database. This is the first step you will be doing. In the company also, when you will be working on the project, they won't be giving you data in the form of Excel file. They won't be giving you data in the form of CSV file. They will be storing the data in the central database. So once the data is stored in the central database, so basic cleansing operation, try to merge the table, different kind of SQL operation will be performing in the database itself. Got it? So the first step is you will try to pull the data inside a central database. So in our project itself, we'll try to create a database, a central database, and try to pull all the data set in the central database. Understood? After that, we'll try to load the data in Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook. So what is Jupyter Notebook? Jupyter Notebook is a platform where you can write Python scripting. So why we need to uh, push the data in Jupyter Notebook? For EDA process. The EDA, whatever I have explained you in the Python module, we'll be doing the EDA process, doing the data cleansing, performing the statistical operation, and analyzing the data set with respect to this business use case. Got it, guys? So first step is we'll try to pull the data in the database. Then we'll try to uh, push the data in this particular Jupyter Notebook, where we will be performing EDA and all the statistical operation. Now, why there is a need to push the data in SQL database and then Jupyter Notebook? See, guys, whatever data you are receiving from the client, whatever data you are receiving from the client, these data are messy data. These data are not fit for analysis. Got it? So you can't directly push this data in Jupyter Notebook. First of all, you have to store this data in central database, and then you have to push it to the Jupyter Notebook. And you have to clean this data because the data you have received from the client is not the clean data. Now, with the help of EDA and statistics operation, you will be cleaning this data. Got it? Now, Python also provide you the facility to generate the report. And it also depend on the client. If client is expecting the report using the Python script, you can generate the report using Python. If client is expecting you to create the dashboard using Power BI, you can push this clean data in Power BI and you can generate the report, you can generate the dashboard. So this is the entire architecture for the data analytics project, and we'll be following this architecture in order to build our project. Got it, guys? So do let me know, guys, if you have any doubt with respect to this architecture, with respect to project, with respect to whatever I have mentioned right now in the session. Do let me know in the chat. I'm open for any kind of discussion, and please interact. The more you will interact in this session and in upcoming session, the more benefit you will get from this training. So now I will move back to the curriculum. Just 1 second. I will reshare the curriculum. So I have discussed about Python. I have discussed about SQL, why we will be exploring Python, why we'll be exploring SQL. Then we will get into Power BI and then project. Now, what will be the fourth module? In the fourth module, we will go ahead and get into AI automation in data analytics. Just 1 second. We'll try to explore different kind of platform which help in AI automation. That is make.com, initn, LangChain ecosystem, LangGraph, Crew AI, and AutoGen. We'll try to explore this. We will see uh, what are LLM, ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, Llama, DeepSeek, and Grok. And with the help of NA8, we'll try to build the AI agent. So the first AI agent that we'll be building is data analytics, data analysis workflow. This is also called as data ingestion pipeline. So whatever work we will be doing in data analytics, we'll try to automate that particular work with the help of NA8 tool. So NA8 is one of the automation tool. So we'll be exploring NA8. We're doing the installation of NA8 in our local area and designing the AI workflow. Got it? And second AI workflow we'll be designing is analyzing the data table from various data sources and creates variance report. So we'll pull the data from various resources. Maybe we'll create two different database, and in that particular two different database, we'll have a data, and we try to create a variance report with NA8 tool. Got it? So these two are complete AI workflow. So this is the entire flow of the training program. We'll cover Python first, then we'll get into SQL section, then Power BI, then these two project, then we'll explore the Gen AI segment, which is important to integrate in analytics. And then we'll build these two AI workflow. Got it, guys? Do let me know if you have any question, if you have any doubt till here.
Yeah, Sunil Narayan here. Sunil,
Yep, go ahead.
are we going to use the Python for data cleaning, or are you going to? So you said you're going to explore on the Power BI, right? So where will you use the Python in the Power BI
Okay,
side?
got it. See, we will be using, first of all, I will be helping you to do data cleansing, all that operation with the help of Python programming language in Python module. And once we get into Power BI, we'll show you with the help of Power BI also. But in the project, we'll use Python.
Okay.
Got it? In the project, we will use Python. Because,
Okay. So
yeah, yes, tell me.
yeah, so you are going to clean the data with Python, and also you are going to integrate the Gen AI with that Python, and you will build the pipeline with the N8N automation tool, right? Is that correct?
Yes, yes. So first, these two are completely based on Power. So yeah. Uh, so first, these two projects are completely based on Power BI, SQL, and Python. These three tech stack. And the
Okay.
architecture that I have shown you right now will follow that particular architecture in these two particular project. Got it? Now, coming to this AI agent, we'll be building a specific AI agent with respect to data ingestion pipeline.
Okay.
Got it? So
Mhm.
see, everything is not feasible to automate. Got it?
Okay. Mhm.
Everything is not feasible to automate. There are some limitations of NA8 tool itself. But most
Okay.
of the things we'll try to do it with the help of this LLM tool and integrating it with innate platform.
Okay,
Yes.
got it. Thank you.
So once we complete all this project portfolio, I mean all this 4 project, then within 3 months we'll be able to complete it. So all this 4 project, once we are able to do it, then in the fourth month, uh, I expect you from your side, you should come up with one problem statement and try to solve that particular problem statement with the help of analytics, data analytics, whatever the tech stack, whatever the tools, whatever the uh, skill set we have learned during this training program. Once you are able to complete that particular project with yourself, obviously I will be there to guide you. Then we will go ahead and work on your resume. We'll try to make sure that your resume is ATS friendly. That is, your resume is score with respect to job. It should be more than 85% at least. So once your project portfolio is ready, your resume is ready, then we'll go ahead and conduct the mock interview. Because it is important to like have the experience of real interview. So as per your project portfolio, as per your resume, we'll be conducting the mock interview and helping you, guiding you with the feedback. So this is the this is the entire expectation you should have from this particular training program. Do let me know, guys, if you have any other question.
And we can produce this as well as the college for project also, right? As a, for any final year people or like
See,
that, right?
one thing I can tell right now, mm, I'm not sure, uh, especially if I talk about the Udemy, you will not find such project on the Udemy. They are giving you a beginner level project, a toy project. Understood? A project just with respect to Power BI, a simple dashboard, all that stuff. See, those things were relevant in 2019, 2020. But right now, you need to build a company level project, a end-to-end project where you are integrating all the tech stack. And in this particular project, we are trying to automate couple of stuff with the help of AI agent. I mean, we are building the AI agent with the help of NA8 tool. So we are integrating Gen AI, the part of Gen AI which is relevant for data analytics. Got it? Do let me know, guys, if you have any doubt, any concern.
No, Sunil, we're good.
Yep. Just one more thing I want to show you. Let me stop sharing my screen.
Yes, Sunil, while you check on the other things, right? This is Vijay here. So,
Yeah.
is this a daily session or how does this work?
See, this week, I hope we'll have a session on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But going forward, see, right now we're starting with Python, and I
Mhm.
want to go a little slow with Python programming language.
Okay.
But as we go ahead, maybe after 2 weeks or maybe after 3 weeks, we'll try to increase the session duration and we'll stick to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay.
But initially, at least for 2 to 3 weeks, I don't want to take a longer duration session because we are learning Python and most of you are at a beginner level. So I don't want to push a lot of content in short duration of time. So we'll go slowly in first 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay. Sure. And will you be sharing a new link every day or how does that work?
That I will update in the group. Actually, we stick for one link only. This is the one that I use for all my our trainings. Okay, so
Okay.
it will be most. It will be one only. So Zoom link only. This link only.
Okay. Mahesh, can you please update the timings and also the days on which the sessions will be conducted in the chat group? So that will be helpful for
In
everybody.
this chat group, right? In this chat group or the WhatsApp group?
Yeah, either way should be fine.
I just one question. You all there in the WhatsApp group of that this
Yes, I
training?
am. I am. I am. I
Okay.
recently joined. I just joined today morning, so just
Okay.
checking.
No problem. Okay. Okay. So I'll
Thank you.
update all that information going forward as well. So now, as of now, we go Monday. This is today is Wednesday. Next class we'll have on Friday. Sunil, right? Better. Friday.
Okay, man. Yep.
Friday, and this week let it be. We can maybe we let's leave it. So maybe I'll try to group more people. Then from next week, again, what I suggest is go for Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and weekend as well. Like I mean, next week.
Sure.
Okay, I'll put in here in the chart that in short. Okay. So this week, next class will be on Friday, same time.
Thank you.
Friday 8 p.m. Same link. You can same link.
Sure.
Okay.
Is it
So
8 to
as
9?
already I mentioned also in the group, if anyone is looking for like to provide like college project or any internship of like this, later I can give it through my company, registered company. I put that in the chat window as well.
Sure. Thank you.
Company information and all. And I say just one point maybe also. So where I myself as SAP trainer, I work for Accenture for 18 years. Then I started my own company just few months back. So I am a passionate trainer. I work for Capgemini as a ABAP trainer, external ABAP trainer. And also I grouped across the world the SAP consultants, more than 1,000 people I have grouped. There we share all the job opportunities in SAP technology, all the works, everything. So freelancing work, job opportunities, everything. Same thing now I'm building the non-IT, non-SAP as well. So where I will build this group, this skill set people as well. So we'll get more opportunities through that contacts and through different channels. Just to set one point to all of you. Any questions?
Guys, any questions with respect to
Got
module
it.
with
Thank you. Thank you.
okay.
Mahesh.
It's helpful. It's a great information, Mahesh and Sunil.
Yeah, no
It's
problem.
helps to the team.
Yeah, just one more thing I want to show you. Just it will take a couple of minutes. Just to 1 second. Just what is this? Let me close this particular window. Yes, let me reshare my screen. I hope I should be able to share my screen. Yep. Do let me know, guys, if you can see my screen.
Yeah, it
Guys,
is
okay, man,
visible.
fine. Thank you. See, this is the ChatGPT interface. So on this particular interface, let's suppose I want to check how analytics domain is. See, we are learning about analytics in coming 3 to 4 months. You will be to get into this training program. If you attend all the live session, you build the project portfolio, then you will be job ready to apply for the company. So I want to know how the market is. So right now it is month of June itself. I want to know what is the number of opening. What is the number of opening in the month of May? Sorry, the month of May 2025 in data analytics domain. Uh, give me, sorry, give me the exact, let's say, give me the exact number with respect to LinkedIn, LinkedIn platform, sorry, Naukri platform and other, sorry, other job portal. Just I've given a random prompt on this particular GPT. Give me the exact number of job opening in the month of May 2025 in data analytics domain. Give me the exact number. with respect to LinkedIn platform. And okay, let me check let me know the market of analytics. So it is using the thinking mode model. Okay, fine. Okay, it is searching the data. It is giving me. See, guys, if you talk about US listing, so it is almost 1 lakh 43 plus 43,000 plus data analytics role pop up just in the month of May itself. Sorry, in the month of previous month. This is previous month data. I haven't mentioned in 2025. It's just previous month data. And with respect to Power BI analysis in US LinkedIn April, so this is this much. Okay. If I talk about Naukri, it is more than 28,000 data analytics job pop up in India through Naukri platform. Going ahead, broader analytics jump to it now. Okay. So Glassdoor, it shows 16,000 analytics job opening. Okay, so this is the real figure. They have uh, LinkedIn US, okay, Naukri 28K, Glassdoor 16K, and this is another platform founded.in nearly 1700. So you can see on Naukri itself, Naukri platform itself, which is a Indian platform, you can see leading source of Indian market is more than 28K plus clearly tagged. So you can see the market of data analytics in India itself. Got it, guys? So this is not just the hype. Uh, the reason I've shown you this particular, the reason I've shared this information just to give you the clarity on data analytics, how the analytics market is going ahead and booming. So once you get into analytics, you can easily get into data science domain. So analytics, I mean, data analytics is a subset of data science. Got it? I mean, once you complete the analytics syllabus, then only you can get into data science. Means you can go ahead and cover the data science module and data science syllabus. And if I talk about machine learning is also the subset of data science. Understood? So this is how data analytics, data science, machine learning are interrelated. Got it? And if I talk about generative AI, so AI is a big umbrella. AI is a big umbrella. And under this umbrella, we have data analytics, which is a subset of data science. And we have machine learning, which is also the subset of data science. Then we have deep learning also. We have NLP also. We have computer vision also. We have so how all the tech stack are interrelated under the AI umbrella. So the reason I've shown you this particular figure, the reason just to give you the clarity on the analytics domain. So it is very much important to before we go ahead and start any learning any tech stack, we should know how the market is. So see, companies are hiring, and if you go ahead and upskill yourself, try to make yourself available and attend all the live session, whatever the coursework, whatever the assignment that I give at the end of the session, please try to complete it on time. Then I'm telling you, within 3 to 4 months, you will be in the position to apply for the product-based company. Got it? And why it is important to attend the live session? Why? See, you will get a recording. That is not an issue. But I would suggest please come and attend the live session. Why? Because in the live session, we'll be doing, I mean, you will be doing coding along with me in the session itself. Got it? If you face any issue with respect to syntax, any error message, we'll try to debug those error messages in the session itself so that you can fast forward your analytics journey. Got it, guys? So do let me know if you have any question, any query with respect to the training program or whatever the information that I have shared right now. Anything you want to say?
No, Sunen, I'm good.
Okay, man. fine, guys. So, Mahesh, are you there?
Yeah. Thanks. Thanks to
Okay.
thanks to everyone. Okay. So I give all the details in this chat window, group, my contact numbers, my team members' contact details as well. You can reach for any of the questions related to this training.
Mahesh, small clarification, Mahesh.
I
The
see.
thing that you just messaged, right?
Mm.
This on the sessions, right?
Mm.
It's not bit clear. So all you're saying is Saturday, Sunday, there is no class. The next session is on Friday.
This week, next class is on day after tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. And once day after tomorrow, this weekend, Saturday, we don't conduct any class.
Okay.
Okay, because what Sunil is saying is going forward, we'll have class on Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah, these 3 days only, right, Sunil? What you said?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, Mahesh, I was on mute. Yes.
Ah,
So,
Friday, Saturday, Sunday only, the regular general classes. But
Okay.
few days we go with this model. Few days only we go Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Right? This is Wednesday, next class in Friday. This week we don't conduct on Saturday, Sunday class. Next week, Monday, we have the next class.
Okay.
Monday we'll confirm whether we'll take Wednesday class or directly we go for the regular schedule like Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'll confirm on
Okay.
Monday.
Sure. Okay.
So that I'm planning to pull more people and then we'll go accordingly.
Thank you, Mahesh.
No problem.
So is it just half an hour session that we'll start off with?
No. We'll go 1 hour.
Okay.
Today's, I think okay. So because a lot of things we are discussing other things as well.
Sure.
Otherwise, next class Friday we'll go for 1 hour complete Python training only and the direct
Okay.
course contents only. Installation,
Thank you.
everything will take care.
Thank you.
Okay, na?
guys, once we get into the main training, main session will start. Minimum will go ahead like 90 minutes
We
of.
don't repeat
Yep.
what we did today, okay? Na?
Yes. Yep. Sure. Yeah. We'll not be repeating what we have shared information today itself. We'll directly get into the practical part.
Yes. Okay. Thanks all. Any questions?
Do let me know, guys, if you have any questions with respect to
Stop recording.
analytics. Okay, you can stop recording. Okay. So do let me know if you have any question with respect to training program, with respect to data analytics, or if you need any visibility in data science, machine learning, or Gen AI. Uh, so we'll help you. Got it? So I'm already in this particular field since 2019, and I have explored deep learning also and machine learning part. So I was already working on machine learning use case. So do let me know, guys, if you have any questions with respect to any of the tech stack and whatever the training module that I have shared today, do let me know.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes, sir.
yeah, fine, guys.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. Bye.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for
Thank you
attending this
so much.
session.
Thank you,
Yep,
everyone.
bye.
Thank you.